Hello and welcome to Quotely. You're going to find us at quotely.info, or the marketing may take you to tryquotely.com. When you go to the program, it will take you to quotely.info. Let's log in. We will have another video on setting up your account, settings, build a profile, set your notifications, set your team. Integrations will be Ivan's, your momentum, and your carriers. Today, for this video, we're going to throw up some leads. So, I actually ran this batch earlier. And for this part, there is no true demo. It is all real money. What do I mean by that? So the tokens. It is a real world scenario. There is no free tokens. So when you have a TurboRater account, you're going to pay your $99 and you'll have unlimited quotes. So if that is the bucket that you want to be in, you would go here, you would get your account. It would look like this, and you would get your, this is where you could, if you don't know who TurboRater is, they're owned by Zywave. This is where you would go, tell you what carriers and what products they have. But it won't be automated. So if you want automation, we are the site. If you don't want automation, probably going to want to stop the video now and go find a typewriter and do things manually. For those of you that want automation, we're going to run some quotes. You can run up to 50, let's say 20. And people say, why don't you do 50 every time? Because it's real money that we're spending every time we shoot a video. Agency defaults. This is going to be how you want your agency minimums to be. Like, you want 100, 300, 100, you want 50, 150, whatever it is, or client match. We're going to client match. We're going to choose our files. Your files can be PDF, CSV, Excel. We are going to grab ours here. And if some of these fail, it's because I did not delete them, because we ran them earlier. So your token cost. This is just our program reading the PDF files and entering the data fields to run the quotes. You haven't spent any token cost on your end yet. Is there any real money being spent doing this? Yes. Everything in here that's automated is using some version of AI that is doing the work for you. So here is the quotes we have loaded. No, none of these are real. They're all fake, but YouTube does not seem to care or understand that they're all fake. So we can't get into the client details very much, but there is a video library here. We'll have all the longer, more detailed videos in the video library to show you exactly how everything works. This is just kind of a higher viewpoint of what's going on. So we loaded 20, 6 are done, 14 are appended, none have failed, so hopefully I erased all the ones that are in there. Momentum, I did not erase those out. So these are going to load. 2 failed. See? Yes, what are you getting out of this? Everything that is in the PDF file or the CSV or the Excel file would have been internet lead you got, would have been a form filled off of your website. So those are done. The rates are all done. So this one, Progressive, Bristol, National General. So it gives you some of the details. Again, they're not, these aren't real people, but show an example. Your book of business, the same people are going to be loaded in your book of business. Those same people are going to be loaded over here. See, it went from 28 to 36, so I did have some of them that got erased. Will you have a TurboRater that looks like that? No. We are the automation of TurboRater, so your TurboRater is built into Quotely. Will you have this momentum? Yes. You buy it through us, but you will have your own momentum. Gale. Will you have your own Gale? That depends. The lowest tier, you do not have your own personal Gale. It is built into us. The medium and the top level for Gale, you will have your own Gale, fully functional. Reason being, on the lower end scale, the lower package, we took out outbound automated calling. So that feature will not be available on the basic package. So it took away our tokens. Not a huge understanding that you need to have for how to do this. Everything works through our AI system. It's called Quad. It's Quotely User Agency Dashboard. Quad will be your verbal command center if you want to do things through just talking. We'll save that for a different video. But to run a batch of quotes, you're going to go to your rater. You're going to upload, import. You can do a manual quote if you want to fill it out, auto home, and then you can automate it. Resume quote, just anyone that you've done before. Search quotes, search alerts, search anything that we have. The dashboard itself, your alerts, it's going to be anything pending on your accounts. Red, obviously, you're going to lose money, lose an account. Green, you made money, you got an account, keeping an account. Quad, the verbal command center, where you don't have to type. The CRM, it is tied directly into Momentum. AMS, tied directly into Momentum. Quoting, that is TurboRater, built into Quotely. Compliance, this will be all your licenses, anything's expiring, anything that can, your staff's licenses, commissions, financials. Commissions, again, it's going to tie straight to momentum. It's just going to be here on one dashboard. And then here is the video library. And we will wait till the next video, and we'll leave it there.